Good morning, guys. This is 7:41 right now on 3rd of May 26, and I'm heading to the gym now. I did sleep about 1, but I wanted my evening free, so maybe I'll catch up on some sleep later if I feel really sleepy. But for now, I'm heading to the gym, doing legs, followed by a bit of gym, where I do crunches and pull-ups, and I have a dance class, a Salman and Govinda special. See you on later in the day. Hey guys, good afternoon. अभी किसी का मुझे कॉल है 2 बजे हुए हैं और अभी किसी का कॉल आया मुझे. इज़ लाइक अमर गुड मॉर्निंग, आई होप आई एम नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग यू. बट मैं सो गया था क्योंकि सुबह 7 बजे से उठा हूँ और 2.5 घंटे जिम करके आया. फिर ब्रेकफास्ट क्या लंच ही किया, ब्रेकफास्ट स्किप कर दिया है मैंने. तो मैं सो गया था. मैं जा रहा हूँ, आई विल गो एंड राइट समथिंग समवेयर. फिर 6 बजे का ओपन माइक ऑन हो गया. 8 बजे मैं पुजारी का शो ओपन कर रहा हूँ. उसके बाद 8 और 10 शो हैं गुफ्तगू पे. सो देयर 4 shows I'm hitting today. My God, my weekends get really busy, yeah. So, but fine. I mean, I don't grudge the stage time. I cherish it. So I'm happy I have stage time. So अभी मेरी आँख खुली नहीं है, but fine. So I'm going there. There's a guy who came last time for the open mic, and he asked me कितने लोग चाहिए आपको शो करने के लिए. And I'm like, मुझे कुछ 4-5-6 लोग बोले होंगे मैंने. तो उसने पर्सनल चैलेंज ही ले लिया. लाइक मैं 3 तो ला रहा हूँ ब्रो. मैं 3 लोग तो मैं ला ही रहा हूँ. तो 3 लोग तो वो ही ला रहा है. एक्चुअली माइक हो ही उसी की वजह से रह गई, वो 3 लोग ला रहा है. सो 1-2 बस कुछ मैं स्पॉट्स और दे दूँगा एंड द माइक विल हैपन. एंड या सो 6 PM 8 PM अगेन 8 PM एट गुफ्तगू. एंड आई विल ओपन फॉर पुजारी एंड हेड टू गुफ्तगू. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गुफ्तगू, देन आई एम गोइंग टू ग्लोबल फायर, देन आई एम गोइंग टू गुफ्तगू. माय गॉड, अगेन रन अबाउट. बट ठीक है, कल मैं ब्रेक ले लूँगा या मैं कल मैं आई विल कीप द डे लाइट, which I think I should do on Mondays because weekends get really busy. Other thing that I'm happy with today is post gym today my weight was 62.6. बहुत टाइम बाद नीडल हिली है, बहुत टाइम से नीडल हिली नहीं है. You know, I've been trying to move the needle for a while and the weight is just not moving, but today it did move. And I think there are a bunch of things I'm doing right. But yeah, I need to like do some more things right to really hit that 6-pack, and I'll do it. I fucking promise this year I'll do it. I'm not giving myself a very tight deadline, but this year the 6-pack will happen. I fucking promise. Hey guys, I woke up at like 2 o'clock, but it's taken me about 1 hour 10 minutes to get ready to leave the house. I'm going to a mall to kind of sit and write for a while and post a reel, do some stuff, right? But it took me the whole over an hour, right? I had matcha, I had like scheduled the open mic, gave a couple of spots, and I'm going out now. God, take me so much time. I mean, I bought matcha like about a month back. लेकिन दूसरी तीसरी बार पिया मैंने. I don't know if it's healthy or whatever, but I've heard it's healthy. So otherwise मुझे spot ही नहीं मिल रहा उसे slot करने का life में. So I just had matcha for the second time and now I'm going out. Okay, let's see how the shows go. Hey guys, just got done with the open mic at Guftagoo at 6 PM. Followed by dinner. I had dinner there. I had an opportunity to have early dinner, and I didn't have eggs since morning, so I had 4 eggs and 1 lachcha paratha. So that's done, and open mic is pretty nice. So that's the now I've come to foyer. So this is foyer, and I'm opening for Shubham. After that, I'm heading back to Guftagoo for 2 shows. Alright, bye.
Hey guys, so I opened for Shubham and got out of the comedy club, and then I was supposed to go to Guftagoo to do 2 shows, 8 and 10 PM, and it's on right now. There's decent audience, but I'm too mentally and physically exhausted now to go anywhere. So I have a headache, so I've decided not to go. So I've given away my spots to other comics who wanted the spots. So yeah, I guess it's pretty early close. What the fuck is the time right now? 1 second. Whoa. This watch is supposed to show time like when I put my wrist out. Sometimes it just doesn't. So anyway, so I've given away my spot, and I'm sitting in McDonald's. I just had a McSoul. I shouldn't have had the McSoul because it's sweet. I'm supposed to be totally off sugar. But I had the Maxwell and I'm not going to the shows, so I'm being a joke. But that's what it is, right? I'm not going. I don't have the energy to go. I did the open mic, so I got my about 20-25 minutes there. Plus I opened for Shubham. I would have gotten another 30 minutes today in case I hit the 2 shows at Guptagu. But I'm exhausted. At the end of the week, exhaustion, and it's been a hectic week. So I'm not going. So let's see what I'll do now. We've got a few hours to go. It's about 9 p.m. Maybe I'll sleep really early today. Maybe that's what I'll do.
Hey guys, it's a really early day review. It's only 9:30. I wasn't feeling well. I mean, I did 2 shows. I was supposed to be doing 4 shows tonight. But I did 2 shows and then somehow something hit me, you know, and not been feeling well. So, I mean, there are things that I don't let, you know, bother me. But then there are times when they bother me. And it's one of those evenings. So I'm closing the day today. Now, I didn't go to the shows. I guess I'll just go and sleep really early tonight. So, goodbye, good night.